We're going to play with some percentages here in this problem, or these problems. So first, Megan is currently enrolled in 16 credit hours, but wants to decrease her credits by 25%. As soon as you see decrease by 25%, that means we're going to take the 100, subtract 25. Part of my proportion is 75 over 100. Now, if you think about this, over the summer is when it's going to get smaller. So this is summer, this is now. So she's currently in 16 credit hours. How many will she take this summer? So that's how you can set up your proportion. Cross multiply. 100x equals 1200. Divide both sides by 100. And Megan should take 12 credits in the summer. Number 2, if the take-home pay is $14.43 and 22% was withheld in taxes, what was the gross pay? Okay, so we've got take-home pay, we've got gross pay. All right, so the take-home pay was $14.43, and they're saying what's the gross pay? So that's half my proportion, and we have 22% was withheld in taxes. And if you think about it, you gross more than you take home. So we're going to take the 100%, subtract the 22. The take-home pay is 78% of the total. So cross multiply. 78x equals 144300. Divide by 78, and our gross pay for this particular example was $18.50. Number 3, Julianne recently joined a carpool. Although she lives 22 miles from work, on her day to drive the carpool, she drives 30% further. Okay, so on the carpool day, 30% further than normal. Right? Normal is the 100% of the miles. Carpool day, 30% more. So she lives 22 miles from work, so that's a normal day. How far does she drive on the carpool? Cross multiply. 100x equals 22 times 130 gives me 2860. Divide by 100, and she drives 28.6 miles on her carpool day. Number 4, The Hunger Games Catching Fire earned $425 million at the box office in 2013. That is, so this is Hunger Games. Hunger Games is 32% more. So that's more. The reference is 100. Once more we add. Then Fast and the Furious. So Fast and the Furious is on the bottom. Hunger Games is on the top. And they said Hunger Games earned $425 million. So we cross multiply. 132x equals 42500. Divide by 132. And Fast and the Furious earned approximately 321, that's not a 1, 1.97 million. Make sure you have the million, because this is in million, so this one also has to be with the word million. All right, number 5, Jane spent $18 on lunch, which is 25% more than what Barb spent. So we have Jane and Barb, and Jane spent 25% more. So more is added to the 100. So 100 is the reference, we have more. And we know that Jane spent 18. How much did Barb spend? So cross multiply. 125x equals 1800. Divide by 125. Jane spent $14.40. And that is the end of our comparison with percentages.